Nona. Nona be doing their thing. They have a Mobile Legends theme song, M7 theme song. I think M7's an event. Oh my god, excuse me, I'm about to sneeze. 3. If you said bless you, thank you so much. Anyways, it's called Sizzle. You guys have been recommending me this for a minute now. We're here now. I love me some Nona. I saw them at 88 Rising, Headed in Clouds, and they were really great. I love their sound. And yeah, I need to dive more into the Indonesian pop scene, I feel. All right, well, without further ado, let's waste no time. Let's check this out. It's called Sizzle. Whoa. Came in like Thor. Oh. Okay. Oh, electric. Damn, man, they walk that walk. They ain't playing right now. When I walk in the room, everybody gonna watch a sizzle. Got a cruise so hot, no riddles. No riddles. Okay, what are we gonna rhyme with? Wait, say that again? Live? If they're trying to get past me, you can watch us sizzle. We're making this drop go triple. It's 0 to 100, no middle. Oh, that's right, that's right. Oh, they not playing. Bro, they serving too. Oh my god. They always do be serving. Oh, okay. Oh, this is from the game. That's fine. That was fire. That was fire. Okay, we coming through. Trying to drag me in. I will not play it. If I play this game, I will never be producing content ever again. I feel I'll be stuck once I stream it. No, I won't let me get addicted. When I walk in the room, everybody gotta watch us sizzle. Got a crew so hot, no riddles. It's 0 to 100, no middle. That's right, that's right. When I walk in the room, everybody gotta watch us. R to the I to the S to the E. The alright spelling is quite interesting. We're making this drop go triple. It's 0 to 100, no middle. Hey. That's right, that's right. When I walk in the room, we rise as one. Ooh, with a leg drop. Oh, this is fire. Okay, looking at angelic. Yeah. That's right, that's right. When I walk in the room, everybody gonna watch us. R to the I to the S to the E. Gonna shut down the apps if they tryna get past me. You can watch us sizzle. We're making this. Ooh, okay, dance moves. Bro, they got it all, bro. They got vocals, rap, dance, and visuals. Why did I feel like I was about to get punched? I felt attacked. Damn, that was kind of crazy. Wow. Now they also released a performance video, right? So we're gonna get into that too. I want to watch this too. So let's get it. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Oh, walking backwards is crazy. Oh, girl. Oh, Nona, damn. When you see me, your knees get weak. We run the beat when we unite. Enemies are watching freeze. Go straight for the eyes if you know what I mean. So now we got you little. She not playing. She said it last time. Hey yo. Everybody gonna watch a sizzle. Got a crew so hot, no riddles. It's 0 to 100, no middle. That's right, that's right. Oh wait, hold on. Like what did I do? So hot, no riddles. It's 0 to 100, no middle. That's right, that's right. When I walk in the room, everybody gonna watch us. R to the I to the S to the E. Everybody rising. Gonna shut down the apps if they're trying to get past me. You can watch us sizzle. Oh, shut down the apps. Oh. It's 0 to 100, no middle. Oh wait, they get serving in these little outfits. I love this. They kill it. Oh. Damn. Okay, hold up. They serving. Hey, oh, she getting it. Hey. S to the E. Okay. Hey. She said, "What's up, attitude?" Oh, throw it back. Throw it back. Hey. Hold up, that kick was crazy. That's right. When I walk in the room, we rise as one. That's right. When I walk in the room, we rise as one. Got me wild and free. Now watch us stay fly. Okay. Doing it like I do. If you're rolling with me, the best team that unite. When I walk I'm speechless, y'all. Hey. Why I always think they're gonna say Sizzle again? It's R to the I to the S to the E, Dre. Bow. Hey. Hold up. When I walk in the room, we rise as one. My goodness. Good calling, Miss Molly. Alright, put the comments down below what you guys think of Nona. I liked it. Yeah, it's fire. Yeah, we rising as one. Nah, they're actually really. This is actually really dope. Even if it's for Mobile Legends, nah, they got everything: visuals, dancing, rapping, singing. They can do it. I can't wait to see the more of Nona later in this year because I feel like they're gonna come out with some heat. And this is just the beginning. I feel this is literally just the beginning. All right, y'all. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.